Good evening, everyone. How are you guys? Yeah, kindly turn on the cameras quickly. Am I audible? Good evening, only. Kindly turn on the cameras quickly. Quickly. Guys, turn on your cameras quickly. Why do I have to repeat same thing every single day? The class won't be started जब तक सब कैमरा ओपन नहीं करेंगे. It's a class, right? Understandable, Lipika. Try joining from a different device from next time. Yes, Omveer, Sobya, Praneet. What about you guys? Abhyudya. Okay, so in the previous class, we completed the chapter, right? So today, what we have to do is we have to start with a new chapter. The name is the lines and angles. Give me a second. Let me just share the PDF. Just let me know if the screen will be visible or not. Yes, guys, is the screen visible for you guys? I hope the screen is visible for everyone. Okay, guys, so let's start. So today the chapter that we're going to start with is the lines and the angles. So let's see what do we have in it. See, so angles, we know when two lines meet at a specific point, that is the vertex, they make an angle, right? And line, collection of infinite dots. So these two things we're already familiar with. Now comes the concept, what exactly do we have in these lines, in these angles, different types and all. So first of all, we're going to discuss the pair of the angles. First of all, vertically opposite angles. Angles में हमारे different types, ठीक है? तो उसमें से एक हमारे पास vertically opposite angles होता है. अब vertically opposite angles basically होते क्या? If anyone will be having any sort of doubt, please unmute yourself and tell me because I'm not checking the chart, okay? So vertically opposite angles basically होते क्या है? When two lines they intersect at a point like this, right? तो अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे एक एंगल बन रहा है, यहाँ पे एंड यहाँ पे. 4 angles are. So vertically जो angles एक दूसरे के opposite हो, they are your vertically opposite angle. Like let's suppose this is angle 1. Let me erase this thing. So let's suppose this is your angle 1, this is your angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. तो अगर आप लोगों को ऐसे किसी कंडीशन में वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आइडेंटिफाई करने हो तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 आर वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर. सेम इज द केस विद एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4. तो वो एंगल्स जो वर्टिकल हो और एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिट हो, दे आर योर वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. इज दिस क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So let's move forward now. So देखो angle AOC, that means this angle, and BO and D, this angle, and this AOP and COP, these are the vertically opposite angle. And vertically opposite angles याद रखना हमेशा पैर में होते हैं. एक अकेला कोई angle vertically opposite नहीं है. And vertically opposite angles जो होते हैं उनमें एक property होती है कि they are always equal to each other. If let's suppose this angle is 20, this is going to be 22. if angle AOC is 30, angle DOB is also going to be 30. I hope this is clear for everyone. See, तो vertically and opposite angles तो हमने देख लिए in the types of the pairs of the angles, right? अब इसके बाद हमारे पास adjacent in the question आते हैं to understand them properly. Now we have the concept of the adjacent angles. तो adjacent angles होते क्या है? इनको साथ साथ लिख भी लेना. See, adjacent angles basically, guys, are those types of angles which share a common arm. What do I mean by common arm? Let's suppose आपके पास ऐसे करके कोई angle है. This angle would be adjacent to this angle. Why? Because they share a common vertex. They share a common vertex and they also share a common arm. Let's suppose A. So common vertex DE have common ray BD or common arm BD, and DC and AD are non-common arms lying on either side of the common arm BD. और यहाँ पे आपका AD और DC जो है ये नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स है आपके पास जो BD के बिल्कुल साइड पे लाए हैं. एडजेसेंट एंगल्स में आपको बस एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि वो एंगल्स एडजेसेंट होते हैं आपस में जिनका कॉमन वर्टेक्स होता है और एक कॉमन आर्म होती है. क्योंकि देखो ये एंगल है, ये एंगल, दिस एंगल ADB, दिस DCB, DB तो सेम रह रहा है ना, कॉमन आर्म है हमारे पास, तो these two are adjacent to each other. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So let's move forward now. In points को note down कर लो. Two angles, they are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common vertex, as I told you, if they have a common ray या फिर common arm भी कह सकते हो, and non-common arm should lie on either side of the common arm. अगर ये non-common arm है, एक non-common arm है, यहाँ से non-common होना चाहिए और यहाँ से भी non-common arm होना चाहिए. See this one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you explain me previous one? My network is fluctuating.
Regarding the adjacent angles, once again, yes. What I was telling you about the adjacent angles is that adjacent angles basically are those type of angles in which they share a common vertex, like this point Q here. They have a common arm between them, like QS. But one condition is there: non-common arms जो होते हैं ना आपके, जैसे कि other two arms, they should lie on the same side of the common arm. Okay, that is what basically the adjacent angles are. तो देखते हैं, तो is the concept of adjacent angle clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody facing any difficulty in this? Good. ये points मगर बेटा साथ साथ please note down भी कर लेना क्योंकि important points है. फिर बाद में जो आप क्लास में कर लो या क्लास में ये मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस ही दिखाते तो कंसेप्ट्स आप ट्यूशन में ही करते हो यूजुअली, तो कर लो बेटा, लिख लेना. So now comes the concept of a linear pair. So what exactly are the linear pairs now? Two adjacent angles. Linear pair जो होता है ना बेटा वो हमेशा दो adjacent angles का बनता है. Remember vertically opposite angles से कोई और type का angle नहीं बनाता आपका linear pair. सिर्फ और सिर्फ adjacent angles का linear pair बनता है. मतलब वो angle जो side by side एक दूसरे के हो. One second. So adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if the non-common rays जो उनकी basically होती है, they form a pair of the opposite. देखो, simple में बताती हूँ मैं आपको, छोड़ दो definition. ऐसे कर, ये वाले angles 1 and 2 adjacent है आपस में, right? They have a common vertex, they share a common arm, isn't it? But what is the difference here? देखो, if the two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair angle if the non-common rays form a pair of opposite rays. देखो, एक रे यहाँ से जा रही है, एक रे यहाँ से जा रही है. यहाँ पे मैं क्यों नहीं कहूंगी कि ये एक linear pair है? क्योंकि अगर आप देखो आपके जो non-common rays है ना, वो एक दूसरे के opposite नहीं है, right? ऑपोजिट तब होंगे जब एक इस डायरेक्शन में जाए और एक इस डायरेक्शन में जाए। Isn't it? Usually ये चीज बच्चों को समझाई नहीं जाती है, बस डायग्राम दिखाते कि हाँ दिस इज द लीनियर पेयर, तो बच्चे है लाइक क्या लीनियर पेयर, बट लीनियर पेयर है क्यों? अगर ये भी एडजेसेंट एंगल्स है, ये भी एडजेसेंट एंगल्स है, सिर्फ यही क्यों आपका लीनियर पेयर बनाता है? क्योंकि इसमें जो आपके रेज है ये नीचे वाले, इनके ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, एक यहाँ की तरफ आरो सिग्निफाइज द डायरेक्शन राइट, एक राइट की तरफ जा रही है, एक लेफ्ट की तरफ जा रही है, जबकि इसमें आप देखो वन इज गोइंग अपवर्ड्स, अनदर इज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द राइट साइड, तो दिस इज नॉट फॉर्मिंग अ लीनियर पेयर। लीनियर पेयर के लिए कंडीशन है कि आपके जो रेज है, ऑपोजिट रेज है, दे शुड बी ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर, जो आपके नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स है, रेज है, दे शुड बी ऑपोजिट, दैट इज व्हेन योर angles, adjacent angles would be the linear pair। या आप इसको ऐसे भी बना सकते हो, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है, आप इसको ऐसे भी बना सकते हो, ये भी आप इसमें adjacent है, मगर ये linear pair भी है। हाउ? क्योंकि एक रे यहाँ की तरफ जा रही है और एक रे यहाँ। Is this clear for everyone? Very important concept. Yes guys, any difficulty, any doubt in this? So shall we move forward now? One more property that we have for the linear pair is that the sum of the two angles of a linear pair, it's always equal to 180 degree. Linear pair का जो measure होता है angles का, वो हमेशा 180 के बराबर होता है। Important concept है, please note down करते हैं। So if this is angle AOB and this is angle COB, they would be, their sum basically would be equal to 180. Single angle is not equal to 180. The sum of both the angles is equal to 180. इसी कंडीशन में अगर आपके पास let's suppose एक एंगल दिया होगा और दूसरा नहीं दिया होगा, आप लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर सकते हो। You can let's suppose this is 30 degree or something like that, 100 degrees. You can apply the linear pair property and find the missing. So let's move forward now. Now we have a linear pair axiom basically हमारे पास, it says if a ray stands on a line then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 and vice versa. If OC stands on line AB then AOC plus COB would be equal to 180. If measure of angle AOC and COB is equal to 180 then AB is a line and OC stands on the line. देखो इसका मतलब क्या है basically, कह रहा है हमारे पास एक एक्सियम होता है लीनियर पेयर में, कहता है कि अगर आपके पास एक रे है which stands on the two see if a ray stands on a line, अगर आपके पास एक लाइन है let's suppose और उसके ऊपर आपकी एक रे गिर रही है, जहां जैसे आप यहाँ की तरफ देख सकते हो, this is a line and a ray it's standing right, तो कह रहे जो adjacent angles का सम है ना वो बराबर होगा 180 डिग्री। we know this right? फिर क्या बोल रहा है, एंगल AOC और एंगल COB 180 के बराबर होगा, ये भी हमने ऑलरेडी देखा। और कह रहा है अगर आपके पास मेजर एंगल AOC और एंगल COB का 180 के बराबर हुआ तो आप कह सकते हो AB एक लाइन है आपके पास और OC इसके ऊपर एक रे। समझ आया? इसका मतलब है A, O और B आपस में आपके पास कोलीनियर। इज दिस क्लियर फॉर? ये मुझे बताओ सबके लिए क्लियर है या नहीं? Yes, quickly guys.
Explain again, ma'am. Explain again. See, we have a linear pair axiom basically which states that अगर आपके पास if you have a ray which stands on a line then the sum of the angles would be equal to 180 degree. अगर आपके पास एक लाइन है और उस पे एक रे गिर रहा है तो जो एंगल्स बनेंगे उनका सम होगा 180 के बराबर। फिर कह रहा है अगर OC लेट्स सपोज इस केस में आपके पास एक लाइन है, एक रे है जो एक लाइन AB पे गिर रही है, तब जाके आपके AOC और COB 180 के बराबर होंगे। लीनियर पेयर समझ आ गया। फिर कहते हैं अगर अब आपके पास AOC और CBOC का जो सम है वो 180 के बराबर आ रहा, मेजर 180 के बराबर आ रहा, तब आप कह सकते हो कि AB जो है ये एक लाइन है और CO जो है वो एक रे है इस लाइन के ऊपर। और आप एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज कहोगे कि A, B और O जो है वो आपके कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स है। दैट मींस ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही लाइन के ऊपर
लाई करते हैं, एक ही स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर लाई करते हैं. Is this clear? Pretty easy actually.
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear for everyone?
Ma'am, can you say little slow?
Sure, beta, I'll explain it. So don't worry. See, this is basically the parallel line condition. Look, if AB, let's suppose you have three lines, AB, CD, and PQ. If AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to PQ, then AB will be parallel to PQ. ये हमने, I think I taught you guys Euclid's geometry yesterday, or was it some other class? You guys, huh? I taught you guys Euclid's geometry yesterday. तो उसमें भी क्या था? याद करो. 1 square is equal to square B. F B square B is equal to C. That square A is equal to C, right? It's the same thing or something. Euclid's geometry पे based है ये. अगर AB आपका CD के parallel है और CD PQ के parallel है, तो AB भी आपका CPQ के parallel हो. That is what it's saying. Nothing too difficult. Now we have the exercise.
Ma'am, can you move to previous slide?
Previous slide. There you go. Everybody also note this down. Okay, so let's move forward now. So now we have a question. See, question दिया है, in figure lines AB and CD, AB, what is given? A line AB is given and a line CD is given. Do you understand this? I'm going to give a question based on this. And these two lines, they intersect at point O. So they intersect at point O. If angle AOC, that means this angle plus BO and E, this angle. समझना angles को, ठीक है? It's equal to 70 degree and BOD, this specific angle is equal to 40. You need to find BOE, that means this angle simply, and reflects COE. CO, इससे क्यों पहले reflex का concept दे दिया है? Reflex फिलहाल रहने देते हैं, ये मैं आगे समझा दूंगी. तो यहाँ तक let's suppose आपका question. You have a figure in which line AB and CD, it intersects each other at point O, and angle AOC plus BOE, it's equal to 70 degree. And BOD is equal to 40 degree. Then you have to find angle BO. तो देखो ढूंढोगे कैसे? See. I need to show the board. मैं यहाँ पे दिखा देती हूँ. Kindly pay a bit attention, otherwise थोड़ा confusing हो जाएगा. So the diagram is given, right? Angle AOC, this angle plus BOE, this angle. ये इसने अब starting में question में actually है नहीं mark. अब ये solution पूरा मैंने दिखा दिया तो उसमें mark दिखा. but figure is like this angle. This is given 40 degree. This is A, O, B, D, E and C. बस आपके पास इतना दिया, मगर कह रहा है एंगल AOC, this angle AOC और BOE, ये एंगल, इनका जो सम है ना बेटा आपस में, that is equal to how much exactly 70. मगर अगर आप लोग एक चीज यहाँ नोटिस करोगे, BOD और AOC आपस में वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट नहीं है. चेक इट, अच्छे से देखना. This angle and this angle, aren't they opposite, vertically opposite to each other? So that means अगर ये 40 है, ये भी तो 40 होगा आपके पास, तो लगा दो 40, मिल गया आपको एंगल AOC 40 यहाँ पे. अब देखो एंगल AOC प्लस BOE कितना था, आपको ये सब करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. I'll show you the shortest method. Angle AOC plus BOE was equal to 70 degree, right? Vertically opposite angle से I saw कि AOC कितना है मेरा 40, तो substituted, plus angle BOE, हमें BOE तो ढूंढना है 70 degree. Transpose this there, angle BOE would be equal to 70 minus 40, which is equal to 30. So this way you found this angle also, which is equal to 30. समझ आया? Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope there is no difficulty or doubt in this. It was pretty easy. बाकी रिफ्लेक्स का वो हम बाद में देखेंगे, रिफ्लेक्स हम अभी नहीं करेंगे. One minute. एक क्वेश्चन है. देखो यही कर रहे थे ना यहाँ. See this question, it's saying line XY and MN intersect at O. आपके पास दो लाइन्स हैं XY and MN. इससे पहले मैं I'll give you a question based on this. पहले ऐसा वाला एक क्वेश्चन कर लो जरा. Just give me a second, let me share the board. I hope the board is visible for everyone. Kindly move your ये हटा दो please. Please don't put your cursors on the board, otherwise I won't be able to write on it. Okay? Based on the previous question, I'm going to give you guys a question. इस question को note down भी कर लेना और लिख भी लेना. Please move your cursors. Don't put the things on the board. Guys, I'll honestly end the class. Please don't do this. If you don't want to do the question, just say so. I don't know. You guys are not small kids. You guys are in 9th grade. Kindly behave like that. 6th, 7th grade के बच्चे कर भी ले तो it's understandable. They don't have that kind of sense in them. But what about you guys?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you can also type this question that you are writing.
I would type this beta, but figures I still need to draw it.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? I have the figure for this. So if you guys would cooperate for a bit, it would take me a minute to write the question on the board. Class का time भी waste नहीं होगा. Everybody's going to show me this question. I won't take the answers in chat, so nobody answer in the chat. See who's drawing the lines? What nonsense is this? I have dropped a message to the faculty regarding this. Honestly, if this happens once again, I swear on God, I'm not teaching this class. Remember. Like, have some manners at least. I don't have a whole day to spend on you guys कि एक question मैं लिखूं, आप लोग उस एक question को पूरा दिन ले लो लिखने में. We don't have that kind of time. अब जो पढ़ने आए हैं उनका टाइम भी प्लीज वेस्ट मत करो. You don't want to study, leave the class. You have the liability to leave the class. Solve the question quickly. In this figure, lines A, B and CD, same question as the previous ones. They intersect at the point O. At point O, and if AOC, that means this angle, and BOE, that means this angle. Their sum is equal to 90 degree. This is 90. And BOD, it's equal to 40. You need to find the angle BOE. That is this specific. Find it quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I think 90 degree.
90
Degree.
for BOE.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what others have to say.
Ma'am, I think it's angle BOE is equals to 50 degree, ma'am.
50.
Yes, ma'am.
Only check it once more. You might be doing something wrong.
Yes.
Check it once.
Ma'am, angle BOE is equal to 50 degree.
50 degree.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 50 degree angle.
Also got 50. What about Alina, Praneet, Abhyudha,
Ma'am?
Dhanashree, Abhisha?
Ma'am,
Yes,
may
beta.
I show you?
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, it is 50 degree.
50 degree.
Yes.
Just
Ma'am?
a second, Lavanya. Let me end the board. Yes, Abhyudha.
It is 50.
50 for you also.
Ma'am, I also got 50.
You also got 50. 1 minute. Yes, Lavanya, now show me. It's not there actually. Can you just read it? I'll understand it.
Ma'am,
Let
can
me
you
show-
tell me again what are you saying?
Yes, beta, I couldn't hear you actually. Your network, it's not good. But you got 50 as the answer, right? And that is correct. That's absolutely correct. But see, for other kids, 1 minute. Yeah. See, for kids who couldn't get the answer, this was your question, right? I think this was A, B, E, B, and I think this was C. And this is O. So AOC, BOD was given 40 degree. You needed to find BOE, right? Because it was saying sum of angle AOC, this angle and this angle. Angle AOC plus angle BOE, it was equal to how much? 90 degrees, right? So I think 90 था, right? तो आपको देखना है कि आपका ये वाला एंगल BOE कितना होगा. तो देखते हैं. AOC सबसे पहले ढूंढ लेते हैं. अगर आप देखोगे AOC और BOD aren't they आपस में vertically opposite angles? So if this is 40, won't this be 40 also? तो इस vertical angle property से मुझे मिल गया कि ये 40 है. Now I'll substitute this here. So AOC I know it's 40 plus angle BOE it's equal to 90 degree. BOE ढूंढना है मुझे, so angle BOE it's equal to 90. Take this 40 on the other hand side, it will go in subtraction. 90 minus 40 that is equal to 50. Is this clear for everyone now? Anyone having any sort of difficulty? Clear for everyone? What about you, Alina? Is it clear for you, beta? Okay. So let's move forward. So moving on to the next question. This was done. तो अब हमें ये वाला देखना है. Oh, the speaker. This one first. देखो, here are lines XY and MN. XY, MN, they intersect each other at point O. गौर से देखना कि क्या है. कह रहा है आपके पास दो लाइन्स है XY और MN और ये दोनों आपस में पॉइंट यहाँ पे पॉइंट O पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. कह रहा है एंगल POY. Where is the POY? That means this angle right here. It's equal to 90 degree. And A is to B. A is to B. It's equal to 2 is to 3. Then you need to find angle. समझ रेशियो दिया है, ठीक है. चेक करो पहले डायग्राम को. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे एक लीनियर पेयर बन रहा है. चेक. Isn't this a linear pair? हमेशा linear pair, vertically opposite angle, adjacent, co-linear. इनको इनके लिए डायग्राम में देखा करो. जब ये अच्छे से आइडेंटिफाई करोगे ना तब जाके आप क्वेश्चन को बेटा सॉल्व कर पाओगे. तो देखो एंगल MOX, MOX, that means this angle, and XON, XON, that means this whole angle. Aren't they making a linear pair together? देखो एक रे यहाँ की तरफ जा रही है, एक रे यहाँ की तरफ जा रही है और ये इस पे कोइंसाइड कर रहा है. Isn't this a linear pair right here? तो इन दो का एंगल्स का सम किसके बराबर होगा? 180. Apply the linear pair property. मगर अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो XOM जो है या MOX जो है ये आपका एंगल B है, ऑलरेडी दिया है, और XON जो है ये आपका एंगल C है. तो मैं ऐसे नहीं लिख सकती एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इज इक्वल टू 180. लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी लगाकर एंगल B it's giving yes, इससे दिया है एंगल B को equal to 54 in the question. So substitute that 54 degree plus C equal to 180. So C would be equal to 180 minus 54. That is equal to 180, 120. ढूंढना क्या था? हमें C ढूंढना. तो C तो हमें मिल गया. That is equal to. तो इस क्वेश्चन को हमने कैसे सॉल्व किया? We solve this using the linear pair property. Is this clear for everyone? काफी basic question था.
Yes.
Anyone having any difficulty in this?
I'm clear.
Ma'am, how do we get the value of B54, ma'am?
That is a bit given in the question, right? ये थोड़ा सा misprint सा है, but it's B equal to 54. It's given in the question already.
Okay, ma'am.
So I hope nobody is facing any sort of difficulty in this. Let me give you a question. Change the values here. Wait. एक बार सॉल्व कर दो ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन. Take B equal to 40 degree. Solve it now. I didn't change anything. I just changed the value of B. B is your 40 now. Solve it quickly.
Ma'am, 140.
140. What about others?
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
will
the
be
an-
140.
Ma'am, the answer is 140.
140. B plus
Ma'am, the
C
answer
is
is 140.
40. 140 plus C equal to 180. C would be 180 minus 40 and that is 140. Very nice. So I hope, क्योंकि बच्चे इसमें कंफ्यूज होते हैं लाइक ए क्या है, बी क्या है, सी क्या है, दे स्टार्ट लाइक अपने हथियार ही छोड़ देते कि हमें तो आएगा ही नहीं. Actually it's nothing, pretty easy question. So I hope nobody is facing any sort of difficulty in this kind of question. Hopefully just मुझे बता देना next class में we need to start from slide number 18. Okay? Somebody note it down somewhere. We need to start from slide 18. Module number 6. इसको note down करके रख देना. Anything else? Okay guys, so I hope everybody understood everything in today's class and there's no difficulty or doubt. Ma'am, from where do we will get recordings of new app classes? I think this is a recorded session, so hopefully I think they will share the recordings with you for this Zoom session itself. क्योंकि ये recorded session है, तो I think वो आपका भेज देंगे group में या जहाँ भी वो share करते हैं. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining the class. Have a good night. Bye bye.